It's actually just a cap.
Let's see.
So he said they were cut for his.
Yeah, it's supposed to have this little thing that goes underneath. You don't have that?
I didn't ask him about it, and he didn't mention it.
Really? Huh. I would buy that.
So what is the cutouts for? These two?
I don't know. We can put this in first.
What do I do? Just drop it in?
Drop it in and push pull the thing up as you drop it in. Pull it up, pull up, and put it in and have that thing facing forward, the thing on the bottom. The slot going across. That
So
goes
this-
facing forward.
This slot
Faces
faces forward,
Not that way, the other way.
faces towards the
Yep.
front of the truck.
Front of the truck.
Now what?
And did it's locked in, so you try to just pull the thing, it doesn't come up, right?
No.
Yeah, that's it.
Just the ball, that little ball
That's
holds
it.
it down in there? Wow.
Yep. Okay.
Okay. You want me to lift that? Huh?
I can do that. It goes just like that. This is the back.
So it goes like this. So the actual ball head goes towards the back. This goes towards the back,
Yep.
right?
Yep. Okay. Got it.
Yep.
Take the little pin out first. See that pin? Right there.
This?
Yep.
There's a pin here.
Take the
Take it
cotter
out.
pin and then the pin.
Pull the pin out.
Okay, face it. There we go. That goes right in there.
This goes on top
Yep,
of this.
Exactly. There you go. And now you see that bottom ball, so you have to put the pin in, that little pin that goes across the bottom, and if you look down, it should go into the slot of the thing on the bottom. You may have to lift that thing up or down a little bit. See that? So,
Yes. That's through.
is it?
Yep.
Okay, great.
The cotter pin.
Yeah,
Oh my god, this is easy.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, you need a 1 inch. So you do the top.
It says torque top bolt to 60 to 70 foot, 60 to 70 pounds.
I know, but I don't remember.
For a correct installation, loosen the two side bolts,
Right?
tighten the top bolt,
And then,
then retighten the two side bolts.
Yep. So loosen the top, the front ones are loose probably, right? Nope, not those. Right in front of you. There
These
you
are
go.
loose.
Yep, they're loose. Okay.
Yeah.
Then so we need to torque the top thing down to 60 pounds, 68 pounds actually, someone said. So where's your torque, right?
It's in the back of the truck.
Okay.
Oh no, it's right here.
You need a 1 inch. You probably have it from the other thing. Do you have a 1 inch in your camper area? Remember those tall ones you had we bought? Do you have a 1 inch one?
A 1 inch socket?
Yes.
From
You might have had it from other things that we used before. We had some other big ones.
you need a 1 inch socket.
Yep. Something you should keep with you all the time with your truck.
Probably keep the torque wrench in the camper as well.
Yep. 1 inch should be there.
That's 4. Yep.
Turn it down to 68 pounds.
You turn the. I think I'd rather most of this mat be towards the back of this.
Here, 68 is what the guy suggested.
Okay, I might need you in here for a minute. Because I'd like this mat to be slid back up against this so that it's not in the way to put stuff in here.
Which way?
This way, it can go this way more. So I'd like it to be flush with this. So if you either hold up on the hitch or...
You just lift up in the hitch, I'll push it.
No, it doesn't seem to... Oh yeah.
Are you stepping on it?
Yep. Okay.
more. That's about where he had it. That's exactly where he had it.
Perfect. Now, does it matter if this is crooked?
What do you mean?
Or is this thing crooked?
This should be straight.
Well, how do we know if it's straight?
Well, just eyeball it straight.
The footprint seems to take up quite a bit of the side of the bed, right?
Yep.
Compared to my other hitch. Okay, now it's starting to tighten. So you set this at 68, right?
Yep.
So it's straight?
Does it click? Is that what it does?
Yep. It should.
There it goes. I heard it click.
Yep.
Done. Okay. Now the front.
Tighten the top bolt, re-tighten the two side bolts.
Yep.
So do I do them to?
Yeah. Are they the same inch? 1 inch too?
Yep.
Okay.
Do I do them to 60?
Yep. Those are 60, not 68 though.
Oh.
Okay.
So these we're doing to 60. The top one we did to 68. I'm alternating, right? Oh,
Yeah.
There we go. But we're gonna need the torque wrench still for
That over there.
this, right?
Yep.
So the first thing we're gonna do is remove these bolts.
Totally greaseless.
So we're gonna go like this.
Right.
On ours, we're gonna come up here like this.
Torque wrench to 40.
Okay, hold this here for me first.
Long quarter inch hex bolt.
I don't know if we have that.
What'd you say, Dave?
Hold this for a minute. It's not very heavy. So I have a question for you.
What?
Before we put all of this through, this is the loop. So if we, so the chain is going to connect onto here.
Right, because they stay permanent on the other side. Did you put the washer on both sides?
This one has a washer. Yeah,
Should be a washer on both.
this first, and then this, right? The split. There's a washer on both. Yes. Got that?
Yeah.
So there's a washer on both sides of these. And then this is going to go through the opposite way.
Right. Where's the washer?
I think the instructions are on here, right? Right here on.
They are?
No. but I looked it up and
It's 40 pounds
yeah,
here.
but you don't tighten everything yet.
Not yet?
Not yet.
Okay.
You do. These are 40 pounds too, I believe.
These are?
No, these.
Yeah, those are 40 pounds.
40
right?
pounds.
That's what we think. We don't have that though, but. Okay.
So next we do these before we tighten these. We do these.
Okay. So I don't know if we had that quarter. It's an Allen wrench of for a torque though. Are we done with this now? 13, 16. So we did those. Yep.
Yep.
So I need, what size Allen did he say?
Oh, Mark used an Allen wrench.
How did he torque it though?
He did it by hand. He didn't have a torque.
Straight there, right?
Straight. Oh yeah, it says right here, torque down the 4 set screws to 40 pounds.
Right. Let's just get a little wrench, just do it a little bit, just a little plier. Let me just see, 40 pounds.
I would turn the thing over and use this end so you get more.
You can't.
Oh really?
Let's get little pliers. You have a pair of pliers in there, Dave?
No, hold on. Wonder what 40 pounds is.
I don't know.
I mean, I can buy a torque tomorrow at Harbor Freight. It's nice that these are magnetic, so you could normally just screw into this here or here, but this has magnets on it, and
How do you face it out?
like this.
How do you face it this way? No? So
Well, I have to, when I'm in the truck, be able to pull it this way. I'm pulling it from this angle, so
Oh,
it
okay.
has to be this way. But this is like here.
Maybe put it farther back, no?
Farther back.
Just so you.
Like, yeah, that's right. Well, this is so. Oh, it's already out, and then off.
Okay, we need to do these.
I'm not sure that's gonna work like that. It needs to be maybe like
There,
that.
that's better.
Yeah, that's better. I guess when you operate it, just
Right,
hold on it. We need these to be 40 pounds. And what size was that? What size were those? The bolts. Were these the 15/16ths? Yep, 15/16.
Need something to hold 40 pounds?
Yep. You put away the pliers. Here you are, Dave. Just
Hold that. Okay, let's see which way. Oh, that's loosening or tightening? Tightening, right? Yep. That's it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, switch. Lock. Huh, I wonder if you'd be able to use your thing. That's it, right?
What thing?
That did it.
Yep. Use what thing?
Your cover.
Yeah.
With this thing?